Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the black surface burner knob on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the knob is broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So these are the range burner knobs here. We've got 4 of them, and each one controls the respective knob on the picture. So what you're going to have to do, if one of these is damaged or broken, is simply pull it straight off, like so. Then you can grab your new OEM replacement burner knob. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So as you can see right here, there's a little plastic protrusion on this knob, and that'll have to match up with the switch right here. It's got a bit of an hourglass shape, so when we flip it around, you're just going to match up the shape on here with the tab, push it straight in, and try it out. Everything works good, so your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.